What if most of our difficult problems can't be solved by choosing between opposites? Today, we explore a fascinating concept that transcends binary thinking and offers a third solution to life's challenges. I'm Mark Roach. Welcome to Transcendent, my YouTube channel where I share my journey around the world through life, crossing the wide spectrum of the human experience. This channel is all about inspiring common people to find their power. Today, I'll be continuing from the group meeting held at Birdlip on April 14, 1945, titled The Work Idea of Yes and No, from Dr. Nicoll's Psychological Commentaries. This is part 2 of our exploration of this material. Obviously, quote, obviously our ordinary thought and language utterly fail here. They cannot comprehend or describe that state of consciousness and understanding that belongs to higher centers. But if we cannot grasp this, you will agree with me that our ordinary language is based on a sharp division of yes or no, and our ordinary thinking is similar. This means that we always exclude one side of a problem in favor of the other side. So we have to take sides all the time and are regarded as weak if we do not. So we divide ourselves into opposite camps as the whole world does. And we continually hypnotize ourselves by saying that a thing must either be true or not true, or that person is either good or bad, and so on. All this is the work of the formatory center of the intellectual center, which can only think by means of opposites, that is, by comparison, and has no idea how to draw the opposites together and find a third solution, which is neither yes nor no, but yes and no. The whole thing lies in this third solution. It is sometimes said that the work is imitating the work of higher centers. Now, since all opposites are united in a harmony in higher centers and there are no contradictions, it is clear that thinking only by the aid of the lowest instrument of thought, the formatory center, will certainly not be imitating higher centers. What is this third solution? It is not composed of either yes or no, but of some combination of yes and no. We're told that this yes and no is the language of higher centers, and this must mean in some way that yes and no are united in a third thing, a third solution unknown to us, which is neither yes nor no, but some harmony or union of two opposites, so that each opposite vanishes or loses its identity and a new thing appears that we cannot comprehend. Let us call this third thing X. This, or then yes plus no equal X. Your ordinary solutions to problems are yes or no. We do not know X. I sometimes think that sly man knows this X and how it is rightly reached, but we can be assured that if ever by accident we stumble on this third solution to some problem, we will probably get a sudden force from the higher centers, which deal only in X, no doubt much to our surprise. But if we solve our problems only by either a heavy yes or a heavy no, no doubt we will not get any help, not being clever enough. And that was from Work Ideas of Yes and No, Part 2 from Dr. Nicoll's Psychological Commentaries. I'm Mark Roach with Transcendent, and I'll see you in the next video.